Class 7th SSC Book Geography Chapter 1 Environment. Environment, it is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the water we drink, and the land where we live. Natural environment. Land, water, air, plants, and animals comprise the natural environment. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered with thin layer of soil. Hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like river, lake, sea, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. Atmosphere. It is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays of the scorching heat of the earth. Ecosystem. All plants and animals, human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Components of environment: natural environment, human made environment, and humans. Exercise question number 1. Answer the following questions. 1. What is an ecosystem? Answer. Plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. They are often interdependent. These relationships of dependence and interdependence together constitute an ecosystem. In other words, an ecosystem is a system formed as a result of interactions of all living organisms with each other and with physical and chemical factors of environment in which they live. 2. What do you mean by natural environment? The natural environment that consists of all objects created by the nature is called natural environment. The natural environment comprises land, water, air, plants, and animals. 3. Which are the major components of the environment? Answer. The major components of the environment are: natural environment consists of all objects created by nature. Human environment consists of human beings, and human made environment consists of all objects created by human beings. Question number 4. Give 4 examples of human made environment. Answer. Buildings, industries, roads, and parks are 4 examples of human made environment. 5. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere, or the domain of land, is solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, and plains and valleys. 6. What are 2 major components of biotic component? 2 major components of biotic component are plants and animals. What are biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. Question number 2. Give reasons. 1. Man modifies his environment. Answer. The human environment is our basic support system. To fulfill his need, man builds homes and factories and modifies the environment and its mineral wealth. For food and shelter and agriculture, he cuts forests and utilizes water. Due to industrial revolution and technological advancement, man has used fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum and has invaded animal habitat for his own development. 2. Plants and animals depend on each other. Plants and animals are interdependent. Plants consume carbon dioxide and give oxygen to the air and prepare food. Thus are producers. Animals consume plants and plants products. They also absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide for plants. Dead and decaying animals act as nutrition to plants. Forests are the natural habitat for wildlife. Thank you for watching this video.